X. Hi everyone, welcome back to another Archicad tool tip with Calendar X. Today I'll show you how to enable distance guides. So initially in Archicad, if you insert a door or a window or even a wall and you click on it and you want to move it down, then you normally have to grip a particular node and move it a particular distance. Also, if you want to know the distance between these walls, if you click on it, you don't have anything showing you the distance between. If you want to know the distance, then you have to key in M on your keyboard and then you do a measurement. Okay, there is a trick that we can use to work around this, and that is the enable distance guide. So let's navigate to the options toolbar. Let's go down to work environment. Let's click on work environment. Now normally it might take you to the work environment profiles. Okay, so then you go down to more options, and when you first click on more options, yours might look like this. Okay, so then you expand experimental features, and to the bottom you have enable distance guides. So if you click on that and you click OK, right, that's enabled. And now if you click on a window or a door, you can see you have the distance here, and you can change that distance. So let's say from this door to the edge of the wall, you can simply click there and you can key in, let's say 1000, and you see your door position updates, right? Same as wall, you have the distance between the wall, let's change it to 5000. As you can see, it's updated. Also, what we should mention is that what you want to move, you will need to click on. So for example, if I click on this wall and I key in 6000, this wall would move. If I click on this one and I go back to 5000, then this one would move. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye for now.